Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom download button in Framer. This is a great way to add more functionality to your website and give visitors an easy way to download files, PDFs, or any resources you want to share. First, open your browser and head over to framer.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will take you straight to your Framer dashboard where all your projects are stored. Now, from your dashboard, locate the project where you want to add this custom download button. Simply click on that project to open it. This will load your project workspace where you can start making changes and adding new elements. Once your project is open, direct your attention to the left side of the screen. Here you'll see several options and you want to click on Assets. This section is where you manage all the resources and components for your project, including code files. Keep your focus on that left sidebar. Look for a plus icon that appears right beside the word code. This icon allows you to add new code components to your project. Go ahead and click on it to begin creating a new code file. From the options that appear, click on New Code File. A dialog box will pop up asking you to name your file. Type in something descriptive like download button so you can easily identify it later. Once you've named it, click Create to generate the file. Now here's where the custom code comes in. For this tutorial, I used AI to create a custom download button that works perfectly in Framer. So all I need to do is copy that code. If you've already generated your code using AI or have it ready from another source, just copy it to your clipboard. Head back to Framer and you'll see the code file you just created is now open. By default, it will have some placeholder code in it. Delete all of that existing code from the file so you're working with a clean slate. Then paste the code you copied from AI directly into this space. After pasting your code, press Ctrl S on your keyboard to save the file. This ensures that all your changes are stored and the button component is ready to be used in your project. Now navigate back to your main page in Framer. On the left side of the screen, under the Components section, click on Project. This will show you all the custom components available in your project, including the download button you just created. Simply drag the download button component onto your canvas wherever you'd like it to appear. And that's it. You've successfully added a custom download button to your Framer project. This button can now be customized further in terms of styling and functionality to match your website's design. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.